Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good af- good good afternoon. Today I'm very happy to share with you all in our presentation. Thank you for coming and giving us your time to listen. I will discuss an interesting and relevant topic, namely comparison of Telegram and WhatsApp, which I am sure will provide new insight for all of us. But before that, I want permission to introduce myself. My name is Niayatul Jinia. I'm from Bogor. So, let me start by giving you the outline of my talk today. First of all, I will give you a brief overview of the advantages and disadvantages of WhatsApp and Telegram application. Then I will discuss the difference in appearance of these two applications. WhatsApp was founded in 2009 by Brian Acton and Jan Koopman. Meanwhile, Telegram was founded by Nikolai and Pavel Durov in 2013. WhatsApp was introduced as an instant message application that allowed users to exchange text messages, images, videos, and documents. While Telegram also offers a similar filter with an emphasis on message security and privacy. These two platforms have become one of the most popular message applications in the world with millions of active users. Telegram's strengths in terms of file size are quite large. Telegram allows sending files up to 2 gigabytes and allows security and privacy. Telegram offers end-to-end encryption for secret chat and allows users to set automatic destruction of messages. But the challenge in this application is that messages are not automatically end-to-end encrypted except in secret chat. And not only that, Telegram can also consume more battery due to constant active notification. Uh, Next, there is the WhatsApp application. This application offers a status filter that is similar to Stories and Instagram and Snapchat, and allows users to share photos, videos, and text that disappear after 24 hours. Not only that, WhatsApp provides a web application that makes it easy for users to send and receive messages from their computer. But unfortunately, the size of the file that can be sent in the WhatsApp application is limited, a maximum of only 100 megabytes for media and 16 megabytes for videos. Then display these two applications offer different experiences according to user needs and preference. WhatsApp with a simple and easy to use design In Telegram with customization, flexibility, and stronger security filter. The choice between the two depends on what the user prefers, simplicity and familiarity, or customization and additional filters. Conclusion: in such choosing between WhatsApp and Telegram depends on your specific goals and target audience. If you if you prefer a simple and intuitive interface without too many extra filters, WhatsApp might be more suitable for you. But if you like the option to customize the appearance and theme of the app, Telegram is better choice. That that brings me to the end of my presentation today. I'd like to thank you for taking time out to listen to my presentation. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.